Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can change the color of announcement bar in Shopify Dawn theme. So what we'll need to do is basically go to your theme settings, then click on colors, and you can add a theme right here, and here you can customize it. Let's say I want a green background. You can choose background gradient, as you can see, like this. And to remove gradient, you just need to scroll down. And here you can select a text, so I'll choose a white text right now. And basically what you'll need to do to change announcement bar text, you will need to save the colors, then click on announcement bar. If you don't see this menu on the right side, just zoom out a little bit and then you will be able to change your color. As you can see, that's how you change a color of announcement bar in Shopify Dawn theme. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.